Woodlowland.
Tilly the tractor's day at the farm. Tilly the tractor is red with huge tires. My back tires are very big. They help me to drive in the mud. Today, Tilly's helping Farmer Tubby to do lots of things around the farm. Let's start with some hay baling. Tilly picks up the hay with the hay baler and feeds it into the rollers. The hay bales pop out, neatly pressed in the shape of a cylinder. Let's take the bales to the barn. Farmer Tubby loads Tilly with the bales. The cows can see Farmer Tubby coming. He puts the bales in the barn. Next, Farmer Tubby and Tilly plow the fields until the evening. What a busy day! Time for bed, Tilly, Farmer Tubby chuckled.